Imagine making soft homemade bread using only 6 simple ingredients you probably already have at home. No fancy machine, no complicated steps, and perfect even for beginners. Today, I'll show you step by step how to make this delicious homemade bread that smells amazing. First, in a large bowl, add your flour, instant yeast, sugar, and salt. Mix the dry ingredients first so everything spreads evenly. Now slowly pour in the milk and oil. Mix everything together until it starts forming a dough. At first, it may look sticky or messy. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Now it's time to knead. Knead the dough for around 8 to 10 minutes. Push, fold, and turn the dough. You'll notice the dough becoming smoother and softer. Place the dough in a bowl and cover it. Let it rest until it doubles in size. This usually takes about 1 hour, depending on the temperature. Look at that! Very nice! Punch the air out of the dough. Cut it into a piece and place it in your baking pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 3 cups of all-purpose flour or bread flour. This will be the base of our bread. 1 sachet of instant yeast or 2 and 1/4 teaspoons. This helps the dough rise and become fluffy. 1/4 cup sugar for a little sweetness and to help feed the yeast. 1 teaspoon salt to balance the flavor. 1 cup milk. This helps make the bread soft and rich. And 1/4 cup oil. Bake for about 30 to 33 minutes or until golden brown on top. The smell in your kitchen will be amazing. And here it is, soft homemade bread. This bread is perfect with butter, jam, coffee, or even by itself. So good, and made with only 6 ingredients. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, save, and follow for more easy homemade recipes. See you in the next video.